So, starting to, hey, what are you doing down there? We're OSBing the wall, so everything's pretty much ready to go. And let's get a couple of random screws going here. So just like the other wall, the intent is to cover this wall with wood of some kind. And the more I'm thinking about it, there's some cool stuff out there, like some mushroom wood that's used, and it's got some real nice texture and grain to it. You can get those in like really long beds, or excuse me, long lengths that would look awesome on this wall, or barnwood planks, or recycled pallet material. Don't know yet, but I do know that I need a nailing surface for whatever I'm going to use. So we're going to get this lumber on here, and be good to go. I'm just using just a standard wood screw. That's actually deck screws are rated to be outside, but they'll be okay for what I'm trying to do here. And as luck would have it, I run out of them. I hate it when I run out of screws. All right, Jeremy, where'd you put those bad boys? I think they're over here. Hang on. Well, let's hope that hope I cut this properly. A couple screws in the bottom here just to you guys do know that the side door is open. What? Hey, I'm glad you're here. You can help me. Okay. And you're going to be on video too. All right, come on up. Can you guys stand on this thing?
Yeah, I have your shoes on, so I don't know.
You'll be okay.
Wait, what do I have to do? Stand on it?
Yeah. Look, folks. Right when I needed help, help arrived.
Hi.
All right, my daughter, her beautiful friend, and they're going to actually hold this end for me while I get some screws started. So go ahead and walk out that way, Grace.
Oh, no. Yes, Grace.
Honey, it holds me. I'm 300 freaking pounds almost.
I'm scared.
I'm really 256, but you know.
No, Maddie, don't shake me either.
Honey, you're gonna be fine.
I'm terrified.
No, you don't need to go that far. You're good where you are. Now you go to the next level. Okay. Hang on. You got a splinter in my hands. All right. Okay, grab that.
Okay, grabbing it.
Go to the bottom of it, honey.
Oh.
You're making my hat fell off, eh?
What do I do?
Careful. Slow down. All right, come back this way.
I'm coming. It's heavy, kind of.
I know it is. Now, can you lift your end up against that corner?
Grace.
Push it in. Push it in and push up.
What's I'm doing?
Right there. You good?
Yeah. Bust down. Yup.
You guys good?
Yeah. Yep.
The girls said they're good. Let me get a couple of screws in here.
It's heavy. Man, I just don't like having my arms up.
Just hang on to it.
Okay. This is a joke.
would it be a joke? All right.
Now what?
Now we'll trade places. You go get me some screws.
Oops. Dad.
I look really not good
Really
today.
Stop, don't bounce.
Sorry, Watson
I'll try that
Vikings
one.
fans.
What did you say? Can I let go?
Screw.
Yep.
I can?
Yep. All right. That's it. There's enough holding it up. So, all right, come on through. It was not terrifying. All right. Gracie thought it was terrifying to walk on the plank. Terrifying. Tinnitus.
Walk the plank, Peppa.
Yeah.
Go up with
All right.
the ship.
All right. Well, that just worked out perfect, man. The girls showed up right in time when this old man needed a little of assistance. Anyhow, I've been talking to some folks. Oops. I've been talking to folks online, and we got a crap load of license plates coming, so yeah, it's gonna be cool, man. When we get this done in here. I think what I'm gonna do, last night I was doing some research on some man cave stuff, and you know, I grew up in Pontiac, Michigan, and I was like, what the heck, man, I need to give me some old Pontiac stuff to hang on the walls. That would be cool. License plates, Willys and Pontiac, you know, from Pontiac, Michigan. I grew up when the Motor City was doing its thing, and then all of a sudden the factory started closing, and you know, Pontiac was never the same. I think it's coming back. At least I hope it is. I still got a lot of friends that live there, and you know, but my high school's closed, and it's kind of sad, but hey, it is what it is, right? I guess we all grow old and can't stop that clock from ticking, so anyhow, this is going along nicely. And like I said before, you can really notice a difference up here with what we did get done. I got 2 more pieces of sheetrock up here behind you, and that's the location. I'm going to frame in a mini closet. So, all right, let me get busy on screwing this stuff in, and we'll get the next piece set. All right, we're working on the panel that's going to go above the stairs, and we got this all measured out. We're going to cut the hole out for the light, and then install this piece. So let's see how the old measurements are going this time.
That looks like doo-doo.
Yeah, it figures, man. I thought the camera was rolling when I put this piece up, the ceiling up here, and it's probably a good thing it wasn't, because got a couple splinters and I said a few choice words, so probably best it. Yeah, you know, I keep it nice. Oh, you know what they call this? It's a Pennsylvania turkey call, man. Here, turkey, turkey, turkey! Here, turkey, 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 turkey! Works every time. Time for a cold one. Oh, I tell you what, man, after working all day on this stuff, and ain't nothing like a cold freaking bottle of, you know, barley and hops and whatever else is going on in here. It's good stuff. I'm not going to show you the label because, you know, I don't want anybody freaking out. But just in case, this is America's oldest brewery, and since I'm kind of on a diet, we're talking 99 calories, a little Yingling Light. Yeah. Oh well. Yep. Sit here and contemplate how I'm going to fill this piece of the wall in, and then we'll patch up the ceiling. I got a strip right here I got to do in this little section, and then right behind me we'll have to insulate this cavity, and then we'll put our OSB straight down. All right, but I got to take a break, fellas. I'm getting tired. Cheers. That's good stuff. I don't care who you are. That's good stuff. Well, in this case, the measurements are so weird. I just wanted to hang the thing up and marked out where the window's going to be cut out. That way I've got one solid piece up here. And you know how it is with construction like this, you got some weak spots. So I figured a solid piece would be a little bit more helpful. All right, using a circular saw, I set the depth just to cut past that material, and we're gonna go to town.
Plunge this blade in.
All right. Oh. Never mind. That works. Yeah. That's how I get that done. Looks mother beautiful. Just saying. I'm just saying. I need to relax, folks. So we got this wall done here. This is where the little mini closet's going to go. Don't ask me why I have golf clubs. I don't even use the stupid things. And I find no value in chasing a little ball around a field all day long. Got better things to do with my time. Anyhow, that's not to get on people's case that are into golf, because that's what you like to do. That's what you like to do. All right, just a little bit of patchwork left in here, and we're done with this section. Next is going to line that interior wall right there.